Hey guys, here we are at the game room edition. Colder than a well digger's butt right now. All ice. Gonna have to put some salt down to get rid of that. Material should be here soon. You ever notice that when as soon as you put your bibs on and all your heavy snow gear, you gotta go to the bathroom? Another great thing about this wonderful cold weather in South Dakota, nail gun won't even turn on. It says, nope, it's too cold for me, buddy. Gotta get it warmed up.
Draw cutter.
I tell you, working in conditions like this when it's icy and snowy and really cold just makes everything so much harder, obviously. But like you're slipping and sliding everywhere all the time. You got to be so careful. And then your wood's you're trying to line up your wood and it's slipping and sliding all over. And it's just everything's a pain. You know, your batteries are cold. Your tools don't want to work. But that's what happens. You just got to prepare and be ready for it. Keep pressing on. Marty, I got a little, I got another camera coming. I was wondering if I could put this one on you. I have a nice mount that slides right on the bill of your hat, and then your camera's right there.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
I do.
You only wear it.
I'll wear it.
Walk around looking like a dweeb, but...
There you go, guys. One day, got our walls framed up. Got sheeting on most of it. We got to figure out where we're going to put a window at over there yet. And tomorrow, setting trusses. So Warmed up to about 18 today, so that's with a little bit of sun, it was manageable. See you guys tomorrow. So for those of you keeping track, if you haven't noticed, right now we have several different jobs going. We have the 30 by 40 attached garage going. We have the game room addition going, and then we also have a house we're building that I'm not doing any video of because the homeowner didn't want any video of it. There's 2 short videos at the very beginning. It's called Little House on the Prairie if you want to check it out. But so yeah, we have fortunately we have a lot of work going on. We're really lucky like that. So just keep plugging away at them. Check them off the list.